When solving equations, I like to draw a dotted line down where the equal sign is. That helps me remember what the two sides of the equations are, because remember, whatever you do on one side of the equation, you have to do the same thing on the other. So that just makes it really clear what those two sides are. Now, before we start solving, we actually want to look at each side individually and see if we have any like terms that we can combine. We do in this case. And we have two k's. Remember that this is really like a 1k minus 5k. Might want to go in here and add the opposite to help us get those signs right. So 1k plus a negative 5k is negative 4k. And then we'll write down the right side again so we keep our equation going. Okay, our goal is to get the k by itself, which it is, but we've got this negative 4 there. And whenever you have a number that's right next to a letter, remember that means multiply. So negative 4 is being multiplied by k. We want to do the opposite to get rid of the negative 4 and divide. So if I divide by negative 4 on both sides, negative 4 divided by negative 4 is 1. So I have on the left side 1k, or we could just say k. On the right side then, negative 40 divided by negative 4 is 10. So our answer we think is k equals 10. To check it, you go back to the original equation before you did any simplifying or solving and plug in the number that you got, 10, into every variable. So that would look like this. Our first one was 10 minus 5 times, here's another k, so we put a 10 again. I draw a line at the equal sign because we want to see if the two sides are equal. The right side's already simplified. We just need to simplify the left side. Remember to follow order of operations. So this is multiply that right in here, and that needs to go first. 5 times 10 is 50. Bring down this minus 10 here. We're going to add the opposite. 10 plus negative 50 is negative 40. So since both sides are equal, that means that our answer, k equals 10, is the correct solution.